already 4 freaking years we're in the jail. And do you know what we got? Nothing but lots of poops with damn nothing.
Then why do you even wasting goddamn time to dismember those people and end up in jail?
Then Poopy Hill made that shit planned in the first place and failed miserably.
Well, your f***ing plan is always failed miserably and ends up in jail, you bald.
My conjoined efforts is a failure. Well, this is my first plan for you. Defend yourself from killed. Well, I have these weapons to kill you.
I'm also going to pay you for your failure, remember? Hey! I didn't realize there's a phone cable in the face.
What are you talking about? Oh my gosh, I didn't realize there's a tablet in the jail.
Perhaps I turn it on to say what it looks.
Holy sheesh dude, is this a teleportation?
I think it's really teleportation. And look at this, they even know where we're located.
Holy damn Christ, we always get a chance to escape whenever we're in the jail.
Of course there's a chance to escape the goddamn jail. Now I just gotta teleport to my street home.
Wait, we're gonna be the living shit by your family if we teleport there.
No need to be fear. They don't know where my house is, so we're not teleported to. Well, it's time for our finally home freedom.
Alright you brats, it's time for you to—
Wait, what the hell? Holy crap, those motherfuckers are escaping their logic way. Oh, gotta report it real quick.
Holy we're teleported on your outside house.
See, I told you to not teleport inside.
Damn, you're such a genius that knows outcome in the future.
Yeah, I'm glad our jail's finally over.
And I really hope our abusive family don't call us, because if this happened...
Yes, we're gonna kill them for always living hell.
Those motherfuckers needs to send to hell. Anyway, I gotta go home and make sure I won't get caught or they'll torture me. Wish me luck, Dora.
Well, it's time for reunion with my family.
I'm glad that Dora with the bull is gone for dismember Rosie so if we didn't call the police then she's definitely causes more insane like killer Yeah. Right now we just have to bait this cake. Help me to bait choco cakes later.
Dan Rav, they talk about me that you are insane, but they're so stupid and they'll know that we just escaped. And they mentioned I'm gonna kill them if they didn't call the cops. Well, this will be too loud if they don't. Hello, who is this?
You did not get caught by your family, right?
Well, I'm at the actually, I'm at the outside kitchen. But my family aren't near the outside.
Oh, thank God you still don't get caught.
So what are you calling me this time?
I'm calling you because I just come up with a brilliant idea that you might do this.
Wait, really? What is it?
Okay, before I'll tell you, you have a plan to revenge your family.
Huh? You mean we're going to pay my family for revenge for torturement?
Of course, indeed, but I'm not joining you to have the revenge. I just tell you how you can do it for their ass.
Oh? Well, I have revenge for them. And don't just tell me I have to kill them with a knife or either shoot them with a gun. This is really not fun anymore and it's just end-out failure.
No, it's besides those reused unfunny idea.
Then what's the perfect formula?
Crash your house and kill them with the truck.
Holy shish, I'm stuck with that idea for a long time. And it's gonna be so fun as to crash them with the truck.
Ah, you'll never doing this if I didn't remind that idea.
Hey! I think I should crash Abuela with the truck, since she's on her charm sitting in the living room like a cow. Oh, I can't wait to do it right now. Ha 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 ha.
Alright Dora, I'll give you the step before decide to crash the truck.
Reset to deliver building. But I can't because it's too freaking far from my house.
Nope, it's just 10 kilometers away, so just deal with that plan.
Well, if you say it's just 10 kilometers, but it's actual more farthest, I'll freaking kill you. Anything else, by the way?
Ha, the other L sign. Oh shit, it's my dad.
Caillou, I thought you. Holy I can't f***ing believe you've escaped the jail. You're even more so f***ed up now for your freaking escape. Also, who the hell are you calling?
Wait, Dad, I can
Give me that.
touch my phone, holy
What the? Caillou, you calling to help Dora to escape the jail?
but Dad, I didn't mean to help her escape the jail.
Cut it out with the goddamn bull. You always finding excuses to get away with your Death will always teach you a lesson. Now say hello to the hell you bald idiot brat.
Good luck to do your plan without me, Dora.
Dora, I hope you'll not be able to escape or else
God damn it, Boris. He always murders Caillou over a minor flaw, and now he killed Caillou for not believe its truth. But read it. I can move on this because my main objective is crash the house with the truck and kill Abuela so fucking hard. Well, another my leg at a time. Ouch. My hand. There's so much. Damn, the dark force just creeped the heck out of me and Ranger so much. Holy f***. I don't even know why this drinking. Oh, we can't go a bit without Holy freaking, you're so f***ing insane. Holy crap, it's freaking so fun to get that goddamn reset to deliver building into action. Holy shit, it can't be. Damn, imagine if this is too far away. My is definitely gonna bleed out of me and my leg will broke too. But there's no time to sit around, because my goal is to steal the truck to crash my house and kill the elegant fat cow.
Wait, you already earn money after you signed job.
Not really, I'm just take as a part-time job, so I don't get full.
Jack, almost getting me in trouble or they'll arrest me or even my death penalty. But read this and stop doing my plan quick.
Come on, get your butts moving and don't give up. Now get to work, you doofus.
Fine, easily. Holy that truck is really freaking huge of hair. Damn, I found a perfect suit to crash and do everything for her. Boy, I can't wait to ride it. What the? Goddamn it, blocked. Cramp the key. Goddamn it, you completely forgot about the truck key. We forgot to include the key. Damn, how would I be able to ride the truck without a...
Oh yeah, you expect another job after this dude.
Of course I have lots of tasks to do. After all, I want you know. I have to make a perfect situation to their favors, otherwise I'll be out of the line.
Wait, that purple key must be for this tusk. Oh, how would be damn, I can't because there are two guards surrounded my and I'm gonna justify the police if I get freezing hot. Oh, but I'm gonna proceed to take the key without the card. I'm gonna think it's a better idea. Think. Say, I know how to successfully steal the key. That's it. It can cause a smoke explosion and the guard not know where am I, which makes it more easier to steal the truck key. Oh, I sure will work 100%. Ha 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 ha. Oh crap, I realized that the smoke grenade is only if the weapons were cheap. and even more far than here, which, you know what, freak it. The task that beats is always me, just me. God damn it, another leg time. Holy crap, finally freaking made it. God damn it, what's even the point to get tired? Just to get to the weapons for cheap. Damn, the reset delivers f***ing far, but no time for this. Gotta steal the grenade from my and diet to candy quick to avoid getting in trouble.
Well, young lady, how did you even get the gun? Put it down now or else I'll call the police.
Shut up, you rich. Calling the police is no longer work anymore. I'm doing this for God's sake. Now goodbye, you piece of shit.
No, please don't.
Damn, it took me with a fucking pain in the blood just to get the smoke grenade. And I'm gonna take it out.
What if people are not aware that candidates to accept their job one by one?
Dude, you probably realized what's that behind you?
What are you talking about? Wait, how?
Holy crap, what the heck just happened?
Time to tell you
Somebody help us, let me come.
I'm here to kill you with a new cable instead of the key. Now take.
Wait, hold something.
Oh, finally. Gotta unlock the damn door before the guards come here. Oh, come and hope this key will work and open it. I'm so tired. Oh my god, baby, yes, it's open. Damn, I feel like this is a comfortable truck. And even there is an air conditioner, as well as foods in the truck. But enough of that minor side. Crash the house while Steve and Caleb be out of the back house.
Makes sense. It's such a good thing you've done your hard work effort.
Yeah, I know it's a good thing, but I might getting more jobs rather than just one. Also have to do lots of custom.
Dude, did you hear that destruction impact over there? What do you mean?
Hey, I heard that crash too. Oh god, what? Wait a second. Holy crap, that truck has crashed. Quick run to your right. Holy crap, I got hit by the destruction. I'll save the
Holy shit, you're trying to steal and crash the truck. Holy crap, I've went into upper sky. Oh snap, I'm gonna...
What the hell just happened? This guy just holy. Holy, the climb up the seat of the truck. God, I don't think I'm gonna crash my... Calm down, Dora. I know you can make the crash through city and the house. I know you can do it.
I see some suspicious thing in... What is...
Wait a second. Holy crap, everyone, the truck is going to crash. Oh my god.
Don't give up and we're going to crash the house,
Thanks for coming and have a good day.
Everyone, whoever you're like in the truck is going to crash and kill you. Tell everyone.
What in the world, Jess?
Holy snap, that truck comes to crash the city and everyone run for your life.
Goddamn it, I crashed to another truck than my house, so my friend is gonna get... please do it I got crashed into the f***ing face, but at least the front is completely clean. It's time to crash my ass and fill up the Police are chief after me to caught my escape the train. I'm gonna Holy crap.
There she is. Isn't that escape in a logical way? Keep shooting until she's down.
Holy because they even have a goddamn helicopter to us my escape the f***ing jail. I guarantee I'm gonna get crashed and killed. Holy fuck, road still under maintenance. Overeat phase. This road has a spring trap to trigger and teleportation. If it's so, then hope it'll fix the spring trap. Wait, no need to panic because my mission is to crash and fill up out of the bat house.
Oh, everything's now clean. Now we just don't have to worry about the dust spreading dirty in the house. Wait, I feel like there's an earthquake shaking right now, isn't it? Wait a second. Nothing of living.
Hey Elena, I've just done watering the flowers at the backyard. And by the way, you guys are done baking. What the hell just happened? There's an insane crash breaking out ahead.
I've no idea, honey. Holy crap, what's going on in there? And I hope it's not a car crash or something worse. Holy goodness, it's freaking her teenager so hard. I don't know where I crashed into. Holy freaking baby, yes, Hey! I didn't realize I put my camera and crashed the outside out of the truck. And I'm really the luckiest person in under circumstances. Oh my god, what just happened in
What in the living shit that world? Oh my goodness heaven, there's a truck crash in our house and getting destroyed so insanely.
And wait, there's a truck. Wait, holy
Holy, it's all gone. Are you really alright? Oh god.
This is why you'll never mess with me because you're gonna get killed for my f***ing revenge. Have fun, Dora. Well, I'm in huge up big time. That's right, joining the f***ed up you f***ing explorer. And we cannot f***ing believe you escaped the jail through a logical f***ing way.
And care to explain why there's a crash that house and getting your view of the line on the ground door?
And don't making any goddamn lies, because if you did to make a bull we seriously kill your with these guns. Now explain with the truth. Allow. Okay. You win. But to be fair, it wasn't my idea to crash over the house. This was Kayu's idea and he told me to do this. So I convinced myself to do this for my revenge for cop torture me and I decided to steal the truck from the reset deliver. And I eventually crashed the house and even That's good. They're satisfied to hear my action. Go on, kill me. I'm now tired to always bother for this. Oh my f***ing god, why you even follow guys realize that his plan is nothing but genocide, like killing everyone's and what's you seriously think so the positive side of his freaking crime believe you stole a truck to crash our house for goddamn revenge and I can't even believe you killed your mate during the crashes. You're gonna blame the him for his insane plan. But he's already killed by his dad or worse set up his plan. So maybe he's already in the hell and received lots of torture.
Well, it's a good thing that they don't forget to commit lots of crime. I cannot freaking believe what you just said.
I surely had police involvement because you stole trucks and crashed most places. It's obvious that you're gonna get arrested if you got caught by the police. What the heck is wrong with you nowadays? You're acting like a nasty piece of who kept commit genocide as well as you become more of a who kept kill your family non-stop.
Well, so furious with you right now, you bastard. You were set up grounded for 999 trillion years. And in addition to getting grounded, you'll be suffering from death punishment day for one's crime today.
Holy f***, not a violent punishment day. Please don't do it, and I'm so sorry for what I've done. I love you and I don't want to get injured, so hit peace.
Well, if you didn't crash our house with the truck and kill Abuela, you definitely won't get a punishment and Abuela will still alive and never killed. Now let's get started for your goddamn 10th punishment day, and no refusal of our dealment or else.
Okay, Dora, your first punishment is to cut the honeycomb without a knife and instead use hand.
I didn't expect this is my first punishment without violence.
Well, we don't always put violence for your first punishment, so we just move it for your next punishments. Besides, if you cut shape of that honeycomb, you'll get anything you want like Nintendo Switch.
You're joking. Oh my god, I'm surprised that this is my luckiest punishment. I sure I can cut the honeycomb with only my hand.
But remember that your left hand dropped to the honeycomb and it broke severe, if you broke the honeycomb. Instant death shock.
I sure I can cut this code without dropping sweat or blood. Now be quiet and I need to focus this fast. Done!
Oh, it can't be.
How the heck you cut it so faster and it's perfect?
Focusing. I can't wait to wish. Did I let the heck just... Oh, am I really gonna get an inside race just like that? Holy you are from Squid Game and you tripped me for that kind of good wishes.
You think you'll get anything your wish? You're not getting any goddamn wishes for your genocide. This is the only wish you'll get. Now eat this.
Holy you tricked me. This is a violent punishment. And I'm thinking you're so what?
Punishment number 2, sawing your hand with the handsaw.
Are you out of your mind? This is an extreme punishment. It got blood out of my mouth, so please don't do it.
I don't give a shit. You're going to serve this punishment, and that's the end of it. Now open your mouth and I'll saw it.
Ouch, it's freaking put it out the spot, you heard social Hey!
Punishment number 3, getting pushed off of the building and getting crashed with the truck by your dad whilst falling.
Wait, I don't think he can do that. Besides,
This will hit. Your dad will crash you with the f***ing truck and that's it.
Think it twice before you get this horrible
we can't go and get injured. My dad can actually ride a helicopter. Holy crap, this you're so into me. I'm about to say get me out of this quick. What?
Okay Dora, your 4th punishment is to get inside of this washing machine and getting rolling so insanely until it'll blood out. Now get in.
You've got to be kidding. It's gotta make me rolling so and leaving blood out if I do. No.
You're going to get inside of this f***ing machine for crash our house with the truck and that's the end of it. Now get your inside or else you'll get an extreme punishments.
God damn it, you had to force me to get injured so shit. But fine, I'm getting cheese damn right. Holy freak, it was the most extreme painful I've ever seen. And I even lost lots of blood. F you for almost killing me. What?
This is your karma for crash our house with the truck and kill the Abuela. Now get up. We're going to move on your next punishment. First punishment, crash and driving you with the motorcycle as soon as I let it off. Get ready, Dora.
Just creeping me, so that's my contract, please help. It was so freaking hurt that the mother keeps crushing me until it stopped. Why do I always suffer the pain injuries? What?
Sixth punishment, pepper spraying to show your butts and I'll pepper spray it afterward.
Well, here comes my poops and blood out from my ass.
Ouch, 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 ouch. It was so freaking it burns, it burns, it burns. Please stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Hey!
It's freaking out so and it comes out of poops and blood. I can't even believe what you just did to my ass. What?
Does anyone give a shit about it? Besides, this is your next punishment. Your seventh punishment is to lick and clean those without any stain left.
You want me to lick my poop? There's no way I'll clean it.
You're not going to clean it? Then you're getting instant shot with the AK-47.
So you'd better clean these shit now or else you're instant death shot. You want to die.
Alright, if you want me to lick my shit, then I wonder how it tastes like. Holy crap, it's so freaking disgusting. There, oh god, it's so freaking disgusting to live these shit. And I think I'm about to.
You idiot explorer, you've just pooped on our
Eighth punishment, shave it all over your hair.
And we'll scratch it with the knife until it's covered with brain.
Holy shit, you're so f***ing injured that you shave my hair so insanely, and even scratch my head too. What?
Ninth punishment, eating the spiked rocks in the table.
Do you realize it's gonna broke my teeth and blood out if I eat it? There's no way I'm gonna eat these.
Do you honestly think we care? Eat these rocks right now or else you'll get dismembered if you don't eat it. Start munch it or else dismemberment.
Okay, fine. I'll eat these for your sake. God damn it, why you always being so cruel? Holy f***, my stomach is freaking hurt so much. Crap, I think I'm gonna. Jesus Christ, these rocks almost went to my heart and nearly heart attack. I can't believe I'm doing this for your f***ing shit.
This is your lesson for kept commit crimes in the city. But out of the way, let's move on for your next punishment. 10th punishment, chopping your hand with the chopper. Now put your hand in the counter and I'll chop it.
Ouch, 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 ouch. It's freaking true. My hand is chopped. So that's my hand. What? Hey!
You know what, Dora? Fuck it, we always run out of the ideas for your punishments, so you're getting last punishment from now on.
Oh, Thank God my 10th punishment day is over. Why do I always getting an insane punishment?
Whatever. But don't be so excited just about your 10th punishment day is over, because this punishment is an extreme for you. So your last peel and I will say challenge.
All of you except the Marquez family. You little girl freeze.
Wait, how the hell did they...
I said freeze. No talking or else we'll shoot your f***ing ass.
8 damn hours to search it, you're nowhere to be found, and glad you found her at your exact home.
Oh yeah, this has escaped the jail, and look at this.
She crashed to the house and even killed her Abuela Dora.
Can you imagine what she's done?
Oh my I can't believe the has crashed the truck to your house and killed her Abuela.
And not to mention that she also crashed so hard through the city and killed lots of people too.
Oh my freaking god, Dora, I can't freaking believe you crashed so hard to the freaking city. You f***ing went too far today.
What the hell is wrong with you, murderer? Nowadays
And due to her damages to the city, you must pay the bill. Cost $100 million to repay the damages.
and she'll receive a death execution by crushing for briefly escape to jail.
Holy no. I'm sorry for cat commit crimes in the city. I never controlled myself to not commit genocide. Please don't do it, and I promise I'll never do it again.
Well, if you're really sorry, you wouldn't end up this horrible shit if you didn't steal the truck to cause to your house.
And your f***ing sorry isn't working anymore. Now get into the police car for your death sentence. And remember the Marquez parents, you must pay the damage bill within this week, or else you're sent to jail and death sentence by the crushing of stories as well. Come on guys, let's go.
I don't want to send to hell tortures me. Please, I'm so sorry and promise I'll not do it again. What?
Shut the hell up and get your ass inside the f***ing police car already.
Damn rats, I'm glad that Explorer is finally done her living hell from her.
She's definitely going to be tortured so by soul out in the hell.
Oh, that's a good answer. Well, let's hope she learned her lesson. Got tortured living by Abuela in the hell.
Any last word before we'll crush you in instant death?
For crying out loud. Don't do this, and I'm so sorry for cat commit crimes. Not stop. I want to stay alive. I beg you, and please don't execute me.
I don't give a shit. You're definitely to do crime shit every time you're sorry, so you're going to get executed and that's the end of it. Now say goodbye to your goddamn world, you explorer murderer bitch. Well, it appears that her butts is finally dead. I hope she'll learn her lesson in the hell for her death.
Holy shit, I better get the hell out of this place. Wait a second. Oh my heavens. You got killed by your parents too. Where in the hell now, Dora?
What? I didn't expect you're alive again after you got poisoned. Holy oh my god, am I actually in the hall?
Of course, you idiot. You do realize you were killed through an execution.
Oh, you're right. I almost forgot. Wait, my power is gonna be the demon because we get here with the truck.
Wait, really? Oh freak, we better get off out of this.
You motherfuckers think you can get away from the f***ing hell?
Holy shit, my Abuela has turned into a demon.
We're so up and get tortured shit over and over again.
So you f***ers are the one who planned to crash and kill me with the truck. How the f***ing hell you think it's a good idea to kill your f***ing grandfather like that? You freaking wanted me to death, feel satisfied so that your f***ing family dies. You're even more f***ed up so f***ed for your f***ing crash and kill me. You'll get it over and over murderous son of a bitch.